This dish is loaded. It is very filling, I must warn. Russian Kulibiac is a fish pie made with layers of mushroom rice, salmon, and hard-boiled eggs, all encased in a puff pastry. It is a vibrant ceremonial dish eaten by the Russians as well as other Europeans. The first step is basically to make the mushroom rice. Now the mushrooms are sauteed for a minute in the butter-fried onions and garlic, and then you go in with your washed jasmine rice. It is important to wash your jasmine rice at least once or twice to get most of that starchy content out of the rice before using it. Now you stir and add in the liquid. Jasmine rice cooks in just about 10 to 15 minutes, so as soon as the water content is reduced, toss in the carrot slices and let it simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes. And that's it. So the mushroom rice is ready. Now it is time for the Coulibiac, aka Salmon Wellington. Yep, the only difference between this and the usual beef Wellington is the fact that we use salmon here. You can take the shortcut method like me by getting puff pastry sheets from your closest grocery store. You will also need a nice chunky cut of salmon. I made a seasoning dry rub combo using salt, paprika, oregano, fish bouillon, and black pepper. So that's what we're going to use to coat the salmon. Now you can make a wet rub, you can make a butter mix, whatever you do, don't skip on the seasoning because your salmon is going to come out tasting very bland. You need some seasoning in that fish. Lay out the puff pastry on a parchment sheet. It's important that you don't skip on using parchment as this will prevent it from sticking. Start with the first layer, which is basically the mushroom rice. Now it is best to have it come closer to the center because you need space to pin it later. Follow up with the seasoned salmon, and then you top it with another layer of mushroom rice before you finish it off with the slices of boiled eggs. This dish is loaded. It is very filling, I must warn. You might be tempted at first to take a huge slice, and when you start, you will seek the help of the gods to finish it. It's that serious. It's actually very filling. So start small when eating. Here you see the last sheet has been used to cover up the filling, so use a floured fork to secure the edges of the pie like so. And now to give the pie a nice shiny finish, brush on some egg wash and create about 4 vents to avoid a pressure buildup. Let this bake in a 400-degree oven for an hour or so, or simply until very light brown like this. It is now time for that big reveal. Look at those beautiful layers of salmon, rice, and eggs. As always, the full list of ingredients and instructions are on foodsturvs.ca. The link will be in the description box. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to Foodsturbs by Edie, go ahead and subscribe, okay? Recipes are shared weekly, and your support, your likes, subscriptions make all of the difference. Till the next video, I hope you stay blessed.